मैम आपके बहुत ज्यादा कमेंट्स थे कि आपने जो टंग चार्ट समझाया है वो
हाँ।
और समझाओ। व्हाट इज टंग चार्ट, टंग चार्ट कैसा है, फेस मैपिंग क्या है,
हाँ,
आपने बहुत बार समझाया, बट अगर हम टंग चार्ट को और डीपली समझ पाए,
हाँ.
व्हाट इज दिस टंग चार्ट?
So,
यू वांट टू ड्रॉ?
yeah, that'll be a nice way of actually showing
Okay.
it. The tongue and the face. I love the face map. The tongue map, I wish I could get into more details. I'm still studying and researching it, and hopefully,
तभी लोगों का था भाई, टंग चार्ट
Tongue
वापस मैम।
Can we get a fresh page on
Yeah.
this? Perfect. Okay, so we've done the gut and the colon. Should we do the tongue first or the face first?
जैसे
Okay.
आपको ठीक लगे।
One second. I'm a bit of a...
मुझे तो मैम फील हो रहा है मेरी बायोलॉजी टीचर मेरे सामने बैठी है।
I love teaching. बचपन से I've loved teaching my brother. Although I don't think he enjoyed my teaching.
आप डांटते थे भाई?
बहुत ज़्यादा। मेरी मम्मी डरती थी मेरे से कि ये बच्चे को रुला के छोड़ेगी. And he used to come to me only before the exams. And as soon as the exam was over, he'll be like, get lost. So ये हमारा tongue map हुआ, okay? So the tip of the tongue is your brain, okay? So imagine ये आपका है ना जो इसको रिवर्स करना है.
Okay.
ब्रेन है यहाँ पे, कोलन है यहाँ पे, मुझे इसको रिवर्स करना है. ये ब्रेन हो गया. The colon is at the back. ठीक है? बीच में क्या आया? Lungs. Correct? Stomach. Okay. Gallbladder, liver. Kidneys. Okay. Do you have an eraser in this?
Yeah.
This is eraser.
Just tap it. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just erase the tongue. ठीक है? Oh, sorry, I have to go back to that. है ना? So this is your tongue. ये आपका stomach हो गया. Correct? ये आपका lungs हो गया. ये आपका brain हो गया. And this is your gallbladder, pancreas, liver, all of these, right? This I think is the liver, I'm sorry. This is the liver, gallbladder, pancreas, and then you have your other digestive organs here. And this is your colon, right? Kidneys. So just reverse your body. Brain यहाँ से शुरू होके colon यहाँ से. Just reverse it. It goes in the same order.
Okay.
It's an easy way to remember.
Okay.
तो stomach का आएगा, बीच में आएगा. Lungs towards the tip of the tongue.
Right.
Towards here.
Right.
Brain यहाँ पे.
ब्रेन उल्टा हो गया ना, मतलब जैसे वो बॉडी था वो पूरा उल्टा हो गया.
अब यहाँ से देखो, brain to colon.
Correct.
This is a tongue map, okay? So Ayurveda, TCM, and most natural sciences say that our body is holistic. Okay, our body is holistic. What is happening inside our body? Our body is constantly giving us signals. कहाँ पे signals आते हैं? Okay, एक तो your feet. Okay, sorry, my feet is funny. Okay, and then you have your hands. Right? There are points on your hands, points on your feet that connect to different organs. आपने feet map भी देखा होगा? All the organs are there on your feet, and they do a foot massage where they press the point. Okay, so if I press one point in my hand, if it hurts, the organ connected to that point needs attention. You can cure a headache by pressing points in your hand.
Oh, really?
Okay, but I don't know the exact points. It's called acupressure, acupuncture. I have to learn it myself. But if I'm pressing my hand, okay, it should not hurt anywhere.
Okay, so मतलब हैंड का कोई पार्ट जहाँ पर पेन हो रहा है वो हमारे किसी ऑर्गन से बताएगा कि यहाँ पर ये प्रॉब्लम है.
Yes. So if say I'm pressing this part, okay, I don't know which organ this is connected to. That particular organ needs attention. So I'll eat food for that organ. Your foot, your hand, your tongue, and your face are giving you signals on your organ health.
Got it.
As simple as that.
Got it.
Feet, hands, okay, bad handwriting, tongue, face. Tongue is done.
अब टंग में थोड़ा सा, अब अगर हम ये जान लें कि अब कुछ कह रहे हैं
टंग में. Okay, now I'll tell you, there's this one doctor, he did a phenomenal consultation. We don't do it in our clinic, but we do tongue check. We check. One is discoloration on the tongue.
Okay.
White color all over. So it doesn't mean all your organs are sick. It means that there's a lot of toxins in your gut. Ama. Ama means poison from undigested food. जब आप रात को सोते हो, you're sleeping horizontal, they travel all the way up and down towards the colon, towards the tongue, and there's a white discoloration on your tongue when you wake up in the morning. It gives you bad breath. Discoloration of your tongue. तब हम oil pulling, gargling, brushing, tongue scraping करके वो आमा toxins को निकालते हैं. You shouldn't drink water. पहले आप जुबान को साफ करो. It means your colon and your gut is sick. White discoloration. Got it? इसके अलावा lots of people have I don't know if it's called sores, but then they have like this pimple kind of a formation sometimes at the tip of the tongue, cracks on the tongue. These are all signs of that particular organ needing attention connected to that part of the tongue. Okay. Now, this boy kept fainting and they couldn't understand why he was fainting.
Okay.
So the doctor asked him to send a picture of his tongue. By looking at the tongue and the pigmentation, discoloration on the tongue in that separate part of the brain, he was able to pinpoint exactly which part of the brain had a tumor, which was causing him to faint. So looking at the tongue, a Vaidya will be able to tell you which organ of yours needs attention.
Okay. Gut के लिए अगर specifically बात करें कहाँ पर?
White discoloration throughout. Throughout. That's why I said that basic knowledge everybody should have. अगर मेरा tongue white color है, yellowish color है, maybe you've had some colorful food or something, but white color है, a bad breath है. There's some food rotting in your gut and your colon is not getting cleaned up.
Okay.
White discoloration is always ama, toxins, poison in your gut.
Okay.
That's first thing you need to understand.
Okay.
Iske baad, if you have cracks on your tongue, pincers, pimples, small kinds of open sores on your tongue,
correct,
immediately go to an Ayurvedic Vaidya and get a consultation that which organ of mine is asking for attention. Don't wait for a serious health issue to come back later.
अगर tongue white हो रही है, सुबह उठते हम देख रहे हैं, so instead of drinking water, हमें पहले उस tongue को साफ कर लेना चाहिए.
Copper tongue cleaner. Silver tongue cleaner, steel tongue cleaner, not plastic.